Hi, my name is Mr. Lyon, and welcome to technology class. Okay. Now, this is new. You know, in 6th grade you didn't have this class, so what is it? Well, it's actually a combination of two different related fields. There is the traditional shop, which dealt with woodworking, tools, craftsman types of projects, and some people still refer to this as a shop class. But there's also the engineering aspect. So we're actually going to be designing things and building things and testing things throughout the course. Now, how this class is taught. So I could have the class use a textbook and worksheets to cover the necessary topics just like any other class. The other way is to use project-based learning, okay, and have you learn by doing hands-on work instead of just learning from the book. Now, obviously, most students, and myself as well, prefer the second option. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of projects are we going to be doing in this class? Okay. So, first off, we're going to be making these little triangle wooden peg games. Okay. So each student will make their own, okay, cut it out, drill the holes, stain it, sand it, all that. Okay. After that, we'll be going into some technical drawing, which, don't be afraid, it's very different than artistic drawing. And each student will actually design their own 3D puzzle cube. So every student will have their own unique puzzle, okay, that is made up of 5 different pieces. After that, we're going to go into CAD, which is computer-aided design. So we're going to be using the program Autodesk Inventor to learn about 3D modeling. And at the end of that, each student will design their own little keychain tag. So you can see mine right here is a little J. And they'll be able to print it out and put it on a key ring, a book bag, anything really that a key ring will go on. Okay. After that, we're going to be going into the CO2 car project, learning about aerodynamics and forces. So each student will design their own car and build it, and then we'll have a tournament to see which design turned out to be the fastest. After that, we're going to go into electricity. So we'll be learning about circuits, we'll be learning about LEDs, resistors, batteries, all that. And at the end of the unit, each student will actually design their own little sign. Okay? That lights up. Okay? So obviously we're going to be doing a lot with wiring. Now, you might be wondering, how are the students going to be making these projects? And of course, we're going to be using a lot of tools. So let's take a look at some of the tools we'll be using. We're going to be using drill presses, as well as scroll saws, several different types of sanders, band saws, as well as soldering.